This is Eric with Master Tool Repair. Today we're going to talk about how to measure pipe threads. The most common question we get here at Master Tool Repair: how to measure pipe threads and how to decide which type of thread or size thread you need. Here we have a few examples, some very popular parts here. We're going to start with a 1/4 inch MPT, and we're going to work out to 3/4 inch, and basically how to decide what you need. Here we have a 1/4 inch MPT thread. Now, 1/4 inch MPT stands for a male pipe thread. What we're going to do is we're going to take a ruler, tape measure, doesn't have to be too detailed, but we want to measure the outside diameter of the thread. Here, starting with the 1/4 inch MPT, pulling a ruler across it, we see 1/4 inch outside diameter. Now, when we measure the outside diameter, we want to subtract a 1/4 inch off of that size to get our MPT size, or male pipe thread size. Hence, 1/4 inch outside thread equals 1/8 inch MPT. That's a very common size. Next, we'll move out to a 1/4 inch MPT. Same concept here. We're going to pull the ruler across the outside diameter of the thread. On the 1/4 inch MPT, it measures 1/2 inch exactly outside diameter. Subtracting the 1/4 inch off, we get 1/4 inch MPT. Here we have a check valve. This is going to be a 3/8 inch thread size. Now, this is a male compression style, so what we're going to do, this is a finer thread than our standard pipe thread, as you can see. We're going to pull the ruler across the inside diameter. This is a male compression, so we want to measure the inside portion of the thread. Now, once we do that, as you can see, we have 3/8 inch exactly. This will directly translate into the compression size you need. So whatever the inside diameter measures, 3/8 inch, you'll need a 3/8 inch MPT. Now, measuring the pipe thread on the outlet side, pulling the ruler across, on the outside we have 5/8 inch. Now, of course, subtracting your 1/4 inch off, we end up with a 3/8 inch MPT size. You'll notice the accessory port here. This is an 1/8 inch female pipe accessory port. This is again a female thread, so what we're going to do with a female pipe thread is we're going to measure the inside diameter, and what we have here is, of course, 3/8 inches. And all right, move on to a 1/2 inch MPT style. All right, measuring again, same concept for the male compression style. We're going to measure the inside of the male compression fitting where your inlet tube would insert into, and of course we have exactly a 1/2 inch, hence 1/2 inch male compression. All right, going down to your outlet thread size. This is a larger 1/2 inch thread. So again, pulling the thread ruler across the thread here, we have 3/4 inch, as you can see. Now, to subtract the 1/4 inch off of that, we end up with 1/2 inch MPT. Hence, this is a 1/2 inch compression by 1/2 inch MPT thread. Here's another popular style we see calls on here, Master Tool Repair. This is your female pipe thread style check valve. As you can see, we have our standard male outlet threads, our 1/8 inch female port. Now, to measure the inside diameter of the thread on the female pipe style, pull the ruler across, and what we have here is 3/4 inch female pipe. Again, subtract the 1/4 inch off, and we end up with 1/2 inch female pipe thread, or 1/2 inch FPT. And here's a larger example. This is going to be another 3/4 inch check valve. The outlet, of course, measures 1 inch, so we're going to subtract 1/4 inch, and we end up with 3/4 MPT on the tank side. Here, the male compression fitting, measure the inside diameter, and we have 3/4 inch exactly. Hence, 3/4 inch male compression by 3/4 MPT. Here's another quick example. This is a cross. This is a female pipe style cross. A 3/8 inch size is what we have here. Let's measure the inside thread with the ruler. We end up with 5/8 inch. Subtract a 1/4 inch off, and we have 3/8 inch FPT, or female pipe thread. And that's a simple tutorial on how to measure pipe threads. Thank you. Again, this is Eric with Master Tool Repair. Thank you for watching.